What really drove us home with Rocketlane was that customer-centric goal of having a one-stop shop for our customers. Our Q4 utilization was actually hovering closer to the 83%, which is good. Our team is being utilized. Our Q4, again, we're trending at 96%, staying within scope, on time and on budget for all of our deliveries. We're happy to report that in Q4 that margin was positive, looking at about plus 7%. We are seeing an accelerated time to value and a quicker delivery. All of our metrics have improved since we started using Rocketlane. So my name is Liz Kuehl. I am a senior manager on our customer onboarding team at Fluxx. Flux is a cloud-based grants management software solution. Before Rocketlane, we had a more primary project management tool in place, but what we were missing was something that was more customer friendly, and there was a level of transparency and trust there that was missing. We weren't able to share documentation with customers. It really wasn't that one-stop shop for everything that they needed. We had to direct them to a few different places for resources. They also didn't have quite as many dashboards or data visualization tools. We often had to pull data out of that system, put it into other formats or systems to be able to analyze our performance against the OKRs. It just wasn't the right solution. We wanted a solution that could do a little bit more than just project management. What really drove us home with Rocketlane was that customer-facing, customer-centric goal of having a one-stop shop for our customers. We have a lot of customers that are very active in Rocketlane. They chat us in there. We keep our meeting notes and different links to recordings in that one place. So they have said it's nice to have one place where they know they can find all the information that they need to about the project. The feedback's been great. The templatizing of project work plans is a huge plus for us. As soon as a deal moves from closed won, we have an integration with our Salesforce database. The project plan is spun up automatically based on the type of onboarding package that customer purchased. Our team internally is really grateful for the integration with their calendars. So they've gotten really good about blocking their calendars and making time tracking at the end of the week easy for themselves. And then as a leadership team, we look at each project individually to make sure we're trending and staying within budget on hours. We're looking overall at our utilization rate to ensure our team is kind of in that sweet spot that we're targeting, that they're fully utilized, but we're watching for burnout. So yeah, we're really happy with the time tracking. We are used to use a very complex spreadsheet that tracked utilization. We're slowly peeling away and not needing to use that anymore because we can trust the data in Rocketlane. So we were really impressed with the level of data and dashboard control that we had so that we could dissect, all of our projects in ways that were important to us. So we could track data that we didn't even know we wanted to be looking at. But our executive leadership team really enjoys the interface and the ability to jump in and see very quickly at a glance how projects are going, where we're trending against our OKRs and against our metrics, and kind of see that all in one place. The UI, it's very user-friendly, very easy to navigate. Our Q4 utilization was actually hovering closer to the 83%, which is good. Our team is being utilized. We're happy with that metric. We look at project scope creep. We want to stay at under 110%. Our Q4, again, we're trending at 96%, staying within scope, on time and on budget for all of our deliveries. We're happy to report that in Q4 that margin was positive, looking at about plus 7%. So we're really happy with that trend. We are seeing an accelerated time to value and a quicker delivery. All of our metrics have improved since we started using Rocketlane.